Jave Beats exclusive.
Welcome back to another episode of Matt Gourmet Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you guys how to prepare a delicious sweet and sour chicken. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click that notification bell. The ingredients for the sweet and sour chicken will be down in the description box, so you guys just can go there and check it out. Now in front of me, guys, here's that lovely recipe for your sweet and sour chicken. I got 6 lovely pieces of chicken breast. I got some sweet pepper here. That is how you want to cut your sweet pepper. Dice them just like that. Also your onion, you dice them just like that. I got my pineapple here, guys. I also got half Scotch bonnet pepper. I got 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon chicken seasoning, 1 teaspoon all-purpose, 1 teaspoon cornstarch, 3 eggs. I'm also going to use some vinegar. I got 3 cups of pineapple juice. I got some honey, and I also got 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour. Here you have it, guys. Now guys, I'm going to start out by cutting up my chicken breast, where I have already cleaned up and also washed off with some vinegar. Yes guys, this is how you want to cut up your chicken breasts. You don't want to cut them too small. Just like that, guys. Cut them in a dice. This is how you want them, guys, just like that. Just like a dice, guys, just like that. Now guys, I'm finished cutting up my chicken breast. Now, this is how you want it to look, just like this, small diced up like this. Now I'm going to start to season my chicken breast with my chicken seasoning, my all-purpose, and also my paprika. Yes guys, I'm just going to throw in my eggs now. Let's give that a rub, guys. Season all of those meats, all of those chicken breasts, guys. Rub them in the egg and stuff like that, guys. Rub in your seasoning good on your meat, guys. Remember. Just like that, guys. There you have it. That's how you season up your chicken breast. I'm just gonna use my cling film to cover up this for a while. Just gonna put this to the side. That. I'm just gonna put that to the side, guys. Now my chicken is on the side marinating in the meanwhile, guys. Now I'm gonna apply my flour into this basin. Now I'm gonna put in I'm using 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of all-purpose, 1 teaspoon of chicken season, and also the 1 teaspoon of cornstarch that I showed you guys before. Now I'm just gonna give this a mix, mixing all of this seasoning into your flour, guys. Yes guys, in the meanwhile you are doing this, guys, preheat your oil on medium heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. In the meanwhile you are doing this, meanwhile your chicken is marinating, and you're mixing around your flour with the seasoning in it. And this is what you're gonna put your chicken in, guys, to give it that fluffy look. Make it look so delicious and lovely, guys, when you're finished. Now guys, my chicken breast is finished marinating. Also my oil is ready after that 2 to 3 minutes. Now I'm gonna put my chicken breast into my flour. Guys, just like that. I'm just gonna give them a mix. Put them in the flour, guys. So when you put them in your oil and when it's finished frying, you give it that fluffy look. Apply some more. Mix them around in the flour, guys, just like that. So guys, just use them and give them a mix. Make sure they're all covered in flour before you put them in your oil, guys. And also I got in my pot, I got about 5 cups of oil that I'm using in this pot here. Guys, this is where you want it to go. I'm going to start applying my chicken breast in my oil. Just like that, guys. You want to leave them in there for about 8 to 10 minutes just to fry. Remember guys, put your stove on medium heat when you're frying them. Leave them to fry about 8 to 10 minutes, guys. See when they're finished. Yes guys, as you can see, they're looking golden brown. So you want your chicken breast to look like that, guys. On this piece here. Now guys, these are ready to come out. Just gonna take them out now. And then put in our next batch of chicken breast inside my oil. Just like that, guys, looking lovely. Woo. So you want all your chicken breast to look lovely, well golden, looking yummy. So delicious already, guys. It's not finished yet. So don't make the sweet and sour sauce as yet. I'm going to show you guys how to make that. Just like that, guys. Now I'm putting in some more. Remember guys, I leave them 8 to 10 minutes to fry. This is the second batch that I'm doing. The second batch is finished to take out. Like that, guys. Just like that. Oh, lovely. Just like that. Now guys, I'm finished frying up all my chicken breasts. Yes guys, it's looking so amazing, so delicious, guys. Look at that. This is how you want all your chicken breasts to look, guys. Looking so golden brown. Yes guys, just like that. Looking so delicious, guys. Now I'm making that lovely sweet and sour sauce in this pot here, guys. I've already preheated my pot for about 2 minutes. Now I'm going to start applying my pine juice. Just like that, guys. On medium heat, guys. Remember. Give it a stir. Now I'm going to use about 7 teaspoons of this honey. That's about half of the honey, guys. Just like that. I'm going to give that a stir. Remember guys, it's sweet and sour sauce. So you sweeten it to your taste, guys. However you want it, how sweet it is, it's up to you. Just stir that in the meanwhile. Stir that honey in. I'm just gonna give that a little taste to see how sweet it is. Guys, I'm just putting in 1 spoon more fine honey. So guys, I'm just gonna leave this for about 1 to 2 minutes on fire before I add my cornstarch. I got 2 teaspoons of cornstarch and 1/4 cup of water. This is to make that gravy get that thickness. Yes guys, you gotta use your cornstarch to get that thickness, as you can see. It's kind kind of watery because it's just the juice at the moment. So I'm going to use the cornstarch to thicken it. Yes, guys. I'm going to start applying my cornstarch. Just using just a bit. I'm going to give it a stir. Okay, just like that. I'm going to leave it to boil up. Leave it here. Now guys, as you can see, it's boiling. I'm going to add the rest of my cornstarch that I mix into it. Yes, guys, just like that. I just want to give that a stir. Get that sauce, that thickness. Yes, guys. Just like that. You can see, guys, it's getting there. I'm just gonna leave that for about a minute or two. Let that cornstarch that I just threw in there to boil up some more. Now, as you can see, guys, after the 2 to 3 minutes, my sweet and sour sauce is ready. Yes, guys, it's thick enough, just like syrup, if you guys know what I mean. Yes, guys, and it's also tasting lovely. I'm just gonna add 3 corks of vinegar inside of it. Yes, guys, so you have it named sweet and sour. You need to have that vinegar. You can use lime if you want to, but I'm using vinegar, guys. Just using 3 corks of vinegar. I'm just going to give that a stir again. You can see, guys, it's thickening off my gravy. I'll show you guys. That's it. Just like that, guys. Now I'm going to turn this off, guys. Now guys, as you can see here, I'm finished making my sweet and sour sauce. Tasting so lovely. Now I have this pot here now, guys. I'm preheating it for about a minute or 2. Then I'm going to add some oil to it to fry up all my onion and my sweet pepper. Yes, guys, I'm just preheating it for a minute or 2, guys, before I add my oil. Now, guys, I'm going to add my oil. About 3 teaspoons oil, not much. Yes, guys. I'm going to just leave that to heat up again for a minute. And just give the pot a spin that oil. Just like that, guys. Spread it around the pot. Oil is ready. I'm going to start applying my onions inside. Just like that. My sweet peppers. My peppers, guys. Just going to give that a stir. So guys, I'm just going to leave that for a minute or 2 again to let those seasoning fry up. Before I check back on them. Now guys, checking back on my seasoning. This guys are looking lovely. Smelling so amazing frying up there. The seasoning smells so nice. Red, gold and green. Now guys, I'm going to add my sauce, sweet and sour sauce, into my seasoning. Guys, I'm just going to give that a stir. Remember, guys, make sure your fire is on medium heat. Last but not the least, but I'm going to add my pines inside of it. Yes, guys. Taste. I'm just going to mix this around. Just like that. Smelling so amazing, guys. Smelling nice. Guys, I'm going to add my chicken breast inside now. Just like that. And you're going to give that a stir. Stir them up into the sauce. Just like that. Just cover them into the sauce, guys. And you're going to leave this to cook down for about 2 to 3 minutes in the sauce before you turn it off, guys. On medium heat. Just like that. I'm going to cover this up and leave it, guys. See you back when it's finished. Back on my pot, guys, my sweet and sour chicken. This, guys, it's smelling so lovely, guys. Look at that. Oh, and that, guys, and that gravy, that sauce, it's smelling so delicious. This is finished. I'm going to turn this off now, guys. Yes, guys, don't forget to make it Matt Gourmet Kitchen. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you think about this, guys. Try it at home and let me know. Hit me up in the comment section, guys. See you in the next video.